Let's see inside. This in the front and in the top. The rest is wax. Also, you can adjust the circumference. The hair length is, let's measure how long is the hair. It is 21 inches. 21 inches. Let me wear it. Wait me a minute. Okay. Just see the hair length and the hair color. Invisible hairline and also inside. Because the price of this one is very low, so I think it is a good choice for you if you want to change a good looking for this Christmas. Fashion color, very fashion color. And long hair. The most important is the price is very good. Also, the hair is very long, more than 20 inches. Very invisible, right? Also, you can see the hair very fine. Okay, this is the last one today will show you. Now I think it's time to say goodbye, and because Christmas is coming, so we will make Christmas. Hello, welcome to our living room. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. So tomorrow we will show you our promotion product for Christmas, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye.